I beg, see, no reason me as a old man, oh. I go not you. I go don't not you.
Do you realize I'm a man of God?
You say what?
And under the command that God gave to me.
Come
when you are dragging me like this.
Oh, me now is the day of God now. Now you go, God not coming. Oh, me send you. You go pay. Don't follow me.
What is
I
all
not you. I go not you. Yes. Who don't know me?
Edza!
Call your.
Edza, wetin dey happen?
Let me talk. When the like talk, call your don't you know say every Sunday they enter one problem there. But the way one grip you cannot lose it. Now hold my grip you so just stay calm. That Sunday I didn't go to church. I said I will take my time to choose a Bible believing church.
Okay.
Now I can't go church this Sunday. As I reach church, everywhere they goes well, it was going well. This man of God, when they invite come, not be saying na him get church, na guest speaker.
Na guest speaker, okay.
Guest speaker.
Okay.
All those guest speakers, when not they not they stick to time. They go say, I want to round up now. Now so they say they enter 2 hours. Now this man of God start. Before you know, he did not take my permission. Now he lay hands on my head. I don't know what he used. As he lay hands on my head now, me fall. Before you know it now, phone when I carry ghost church, he scatter.
Jesus!
At first scatter. Now say, let me just be patient.
Jesus!
Now I go meet her. Say, sorry, oh, man of God. Alpha, my phone now, it does scatter. How we want do am? Now the next thing now, he they tell me say, like this, so, now Holy Spirit do am. Na spirit do am. So make I don't go the thank God say I fall under the spirit.
Okay, Elder, wait. If I understand you correctly, he lay hands.
Yeah.
You can't fall. As you fall, your phone can't break.
Yes.
So now you want me he pay for your phone wey break.
Exactly. No.
Elder, that one not be pastor fault now. You were under the mighty influence of the spirit. Now you fall.
You say what?
I say you were under the mighty influence of the spirit. Now you take fall now.
Oh, me say now. He asked of my permission. Oh, he said they preach for 2 hours. I said they look at. I don't already the verse. Later now, he said we lay hands on everybody. Have you mate? He know they look for this one will serve as a warning for people when God they lay hands anyhow. When they lay hands anyhow, he don't break my. You know how many years when I take that money to buy that phone? He go pay. Now guest speaker over Sabi.
What's all this
the pastor of the church know they lay hands over Sabi. Over Sabi.
See, I will tell you for you.
You say what?
You are also a lion and a lamb. I will talk to the other side of Jesus as a lion. Don't God provoke me.
Wait, who be the lion?
I'm the lion. I'll prove that I'm a lion.
You want to with which body? You were be I spoke. Maybe one hand that did the follow.
I will give you another
because
now.
you were the ask question. You use Bible this story. They got to join this perfect man of God.
Elder, leave this pastor. Not do anything. Leave him.
No, leave him.
Leave him.
No, you cannot say they far. I for you join and you are balling. No, also respect yourself. By the time you reach police station, you know say I get case.
Oh wait, don't cry. If a man of God does not have anointing, you say does not have anointing. Now I use my anointing to pray for you.
I don't send you. Why over Sabi you enter? I'm not send you. You are going in for it. You are going in. You are going in.
You know I'm seeing you. I don't make careful.
Elder.